Hello, everyone. We were going to do one other type of workflow here on Power Automate, and that is the scheduled workflow. So the scheduled Cloudflow. So if you come over to your scheduled Cloudflow and you go ahead and select on it, you can go ahead and prompt it with a name. So we'll just say runs every minute. And then right now, we're going to go ahead and select a time. So today's the 6th, and we'll have it start running at 5. I guess we could have it at 5:45 because it doesn't. Oh, there we go. We could do 5:55. Dang it doesn't let me manually do options here, but we'll just have it run every minute. So what we'll do now is we're going to go ahead and select create. And every minute this workflow is going to run. So what we want to do is we just want to do something to get confirmation that the workflow is running successfully. So we'll do our handy dandy Teams message that we've done countless times. And we'll do... trying to hurry up so that we can catch this before the next minute passes. Okay, so 1 more minute has passed. Okay, save. And there we go. All right, it has passed now. So we're just gonna wait for it to run here. Actually, I could probably manually run it, but we'll let it run on its own. So let's actually go back one screen. Okay, all runs. Yep, so we just need to give it a moment to run here. But then as soon as it runs, it should kick off that workflow. I didn't want to manually do it because it kind of defeats the purpose of it being a scheduled workflow. And it's almost 5:57. I should do like a countdown here on the screen. 10, 9, 8. And it's still waiting. There we go. It's 5:57. See if it shows up. Okay, there we go. So it looks like it was successful. Now if I come over here, we can see that the flow successfully ran and it posted a message. And then if we come over here, 1 more minute has passed. This flow is going to be extremely obnoxious, so you definitely don't want it to let it to keep running. So to do this, we just have to come back over to my flows, runs every minute, and then we're just going to turn it off. And the turn off and on for some reason takes a while, but there you go. So now the flow has been turned off. But that is how you set up a scheduled flow on Power Automate.